Can't find the Google Play Store on your phone? Don't worry, it may simply be disabled. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to make the Play Store visible again and get it working in just a few taps. Start by opening the settings page. You can do this by tapping the settings icon from your home screen or app drawer. You can also swipe down from the top of the screen and tap the gear-shaped settings icon. Scroll down through the settings menu and tap apps. This section contains a complete list of applications installed on your device, including system apps that may be hidden or disabled. Inside the apps menu, look for the filter and sort icon, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Tap it and enable the option to show disabled apps, then tap OK or apply to save the change. This allows you to view apps that are currently turned off. Scroll through the list of apps until you find Google Play Store. Tap on it to open the app information page. If the app has been disabled, you will see an Enable button near the bottom of the screen. Tap Enable to restore the Play Store immediately. Once enabled, the app will reappear in your app drawer and function normally. That's it. Your Google Play Store should now be visible and ready to use. Follow for more easy smartphone tips, fixes, and helpful Android guides.